Hello po sa lahat. So, ngayong gabi naman ay atin pong ipaliwanag ang tungkol sa yung misunderstanding regarding po doon sa issue whether itong spouses diskaya should be considered as uh, to be under the witness protection program of the DOJ. Okay, or ibig bang sabihin na kapag siya po ay under the witness protection program ay magiging automatic na po siyang isang state witness. So, I think doon yung tanong na, na pinag-ugatan ng hindi pagkakaunawaan between our DOJ Secretary at ni Senator Marcoleta na humantong sa punto na sabihin ng chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee na si Senator Panfilo Lacson na nasabi niya na bakit sobrang protective daw ni Senator Marcoleta kay spouses Diskaya. So, yung issue kasi dyan is that one of the requirements to be accepted within the witness protection program of the DOJ is the restitution of the properties of the spouses Diskaya. So sabi ko naman kasi ni Senator Marcoleta na hindi yun requirement sa ilalim ng batas. So ngayon liliwanagin po natin. So unang-una, when you talk about yung kung atin pong pag-usapan ang tungkol sa witness protection program ng DOJ at ng state witness ng ating korte, magkaiba po sila. So it does not, okay, we have to clarify at the onset na when you talk about being under the witness protection program would not translate that you would automatically be a state witness ng ating korte. Kasi when you talk about yung ating witness protection program, ang bottom line kasi dyan is that you are seeking for protection and benefits. Okay, so protection po yan, security ang gusto nyo or hinahabol nyo to be under the program. So when you talk about being a state witness, it means that under our rules of court, particularly Rule 119, sinasabi doon na you will be discharged from criminal liability if you will be accepted as a state witness. So magkaiba po yan. So when you talk about a person under the witness protection program who is seeking for protection and benefits under the law, okay, under dito sa ating RA 6981, would not mean or translate that you will become also a state witness, that you will be discharged from any criminal liability. So, hindi po kasi ganun. Kaya siguro there was a clash between the two. Kasi nga, yung iba siguro, kay sa punto ng ating Secretary of Justice. So, yun ang gusto niya na one of the requirements is for the for spouses Diskaya to restitute the properties that they have acquired through this flood control anomaly. So, sabi naman ni Senator Marcoleta, hindi yan nakalagay sa batas, which is true naman. Hindi po nakalagay sa ating batas na requirement that you have to restitute. Kasi nga sa ating batas din, binabanggit na you are presumed innocent until proven guilty. So ngayon, bakit ka magbabalik na sa gobyerno ng mga